welcome back to Bobby's Hacks. Well, here I am up with an upma recipe. It's not as easy as it looks like. It needs a lot of technique and structure to make it soft at the same time granular form. So to make that recipe here, I am up with a unique recipe of my own. First in a wok, take some oil. Pour in mustard seeds and cumin seeds. Let them splutter. I have added Asafoetida, which is called Hing, in this too. Here I am putting in the curry leaves along with green chilies. You can also use red chilies. I have added the onions. Stir fry it. You can just wait for it to turn translucent. I have added ginger. You can add lots of it. This is a beautiful recipe. Those who are suffering with cold, cough and fever, when you have this dish, it is so refreshing for your throat. You really want to have more and more of this upma. And keep stir frying. Here I have added tomatoes. Fry these as well until it goes soft. Here the recipe you should make with patience. I have added a little bit of salt. And here the semolina, which is also called as the Suji, I have added it. Here I am going to fry the semolina because I have not dry fried it in the beginning. So here you have to have patience. I have taken 1 full cup of the semolina. Keep frying it for at least, you watch the time and fry it for at least 4 to 5 minutes in sim. Lower your flame and keep frying it. I have added little more salt. Here comes my secret ingredient. A small twist in the recipe and how delicious it turned out. Soya sauce is my secret ingredient here. Do not skip this along with the tomato sauce. So these two will give a complete different flavor to the upma which you are having. Upma is a favorite South Indian dish. Though it is eaten all over India, but it is mostly found in the South Indian cuisine. Here, upma is mostly eaten along with a side dish, which is the kobbari chutney, they say in Telugu. In English, it is the coconut chutney. You can serve along with this. It is really awesome. You can add green peas and veggies too. Now, after it completes 5 minutes of stir frying this in low flame, I am adding water here. If you have taken 1 cup of semolina, you have to add 3 cups of water. And those who do not understand the measurement of cups, here you just ensure the upma is just drowned, not beyond that. Just it will drown and stop pouring the water. Here you have to put the flame completely low. I have added little bit of garam masala. And I have covered it with a lid and I am waiting for it to get steamed properly. You have to cook this in complete low flame. Watch the time and wait for complete 8 minutes. In between, if you want, you can stir this and just check it, but do not stir too much. Let it cook its own way. Just only once between. After 4 minutes I have stirred it. Again leave it like this for the next 4 minutes. After complete 8 minutes, you will get this final result. Here the upma is quite soft, and once you transfer it to a plate and wait for it to cool down, you can feel the granular form of the upma. So this is the time when you can remove this from the wok and shift it to a plate. This is the final result, and serve it to your people at home. Do let me know in the comment section how many people have praised you. Please do subscribe if you still did not. Hit the bell notification icon, and if this recipe does turn out good, please put a like for me. Thank you.